Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick review about this AI platform, which is Remodeled AI has emerged as a standout interior design app in 2025, offering users an intuitive platform to visualize home transformation effortlessly. By simply uploading a photo of a room, users can explore a variety of design styles ranging from modern to rustic and receive photorealistic redesign within a second. The app's AI-driven features include a virtual staging, clutter removal, and image enhancement. Also provide a comprehensive toolkit for both owners and professionals. Notable, it's a real 3D branding allows users to interact with designs dynamically and adjusting elements like flooring and wall color to suit a personal preference. While Remodeled AI offers a user-friendly experience and a suite of powerful tools, it does have some limitation. The free version restricts users to a limited number of designs, with a subscription required for unlimited access. Additionally, while the AI-generated designs are impressive, they may occasionally produce unexpected results and necessitating manual adjustments. Despite this minor drawback, Mod AI stand out as a valuable resource for those asking to reimage their living space, combining ease of use with advanced design capabilities.